What if the Amazon rainforest vanished overnight? No trees, no animals, no oxygen lifeline, just silence. The Amazon is called the lungs of our planet. It produces nearly 20% of the world's oxygen. Without it, billions would struggle to breathe, and Earth's atmosphere would slowly choke. But it's also home to more than 3 million species. The Amazon is the planet's largest biodiversity hotspot. If it disappears, entire ecosystems will collapse. Thousands of species, gone forever. The rainforest traps carbon and keeps our planet cool. Without it, global warming would skyrocket. Temperatures would rise, droughts would spread, and wildfires would turn Earth into a furnace. Cities along the coast would flood, farmlands would dry up, food shortages would strike. The Amazon's fall doesn't just kill trees, it threatens human survival itself. So the question is, would humanity survive a world without the Amazon? Tell us in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more what-if science stories. Now let's take it back to the beginning. See that little hole in the ozone layer up there? Yeah, that's not supposed to be there. Now the UV rays from the sun are coming right through. Plants can't handle that much sunlight. They'll all die and no new plants will grow. Animals will starve without plants. They'll all die too. Even the decomposers that break down dead stuff won't survive. Nothing but rocks and dirt. That's what's left after an ice age. And let's not forget about oxygen. The Amazon makes 20% of the oxygen we breathe. Without oxygen, people would only last a few minutes. And here's how that would happen. When the Amazon burns, it releases carbon dioxide and other gases into the atmosphere. More gases means more heat gets trapped and Earth's average temperature rises. Hotter temperatures lead to drier ground. Without water, plants die. No plants means no photosynthesis. Photosynthesis removes carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. So with no plants, carbon dioxide levels rise even more. More carbon waste starts to trap more heat and Earth gets hotter. Higher temperatures mean more water evaporates. Less water vapor in the air means fewer clouds and more sun-baked land. Hotter ground means less snow and ice in the Arctic. Less ice means less reflection and more absorption of the sun's rays. As temperatures continue to rise, ice melts faster, which raises sea levels and floods coastal cities. Hotter temperatures also mean more droughts, heat waves, and powerful storms. And when things get too hot or too dry, plants die. More dead plants mean more fuel for fires. Fires release even more carbon into the atmosphere, which makes the problem worse. And while all this is happening, the amount of oxygen in the atmosphere decreases. With more carbon waste starts to trap more heat and Earth gets hotter. By the end, Earth is a dry, hot desert with higher sea levels and a thinner atmosphere. Kind of makes you want to hug a tree. Well, if you could find one. As you may have noticed, the Amazon rainforest is very important to us humans. In fact, it's essential to life on Earth as we know it, but it's also in danger. If you want to learn more about how you can help protect it, check out the link below. What If is brought to you by a team of dedicated educators and lifelong learners who have a passion for sharing what they find fascinating about the natural world. Our mission is to empower everyone to understand and appreciate our world through fun science interactives. And we can't do that without you.